Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in Solidworks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in Solidworks. Hi, today I am going to explain about knurling pattern in Solidworks. Left side you can see the component and right side the pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. So this is the pattern. I've taken a Solidworks file, select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one circle, dia is 32, select the feature, and length is 150. Select this face, go to sketch and select this edge and convert entity. So this is the sketch. So you can see the sketch now. So using this sketch I am going to create helical curve. So select the helix and select this edge, the sketch. So here pitch is 6 and the number of revolution 3, start point is 90. So instead of 0 we have to take 90 degrees angle and save. Okay. See, when we see in front view it starts from here. Say OK. See here, this is the curve. Now I am going to create a sweep cut, so we need a profile. So for creating the profile we have to create one sketch. So the sketch has to start from this point and it should be normal to this curve. So we have to create one plane. So this is the starting point, and we have to select this curve and create normal to this. See, we should not create this sketch on this face because it is not normal to this helical curve. So this is mandatory. So after creating this plane, select this plane and go to sketch. Here we have to draw one square. So instead of drawing this square using this corner rectangle or center point rectangle, select the polygon and number of sides 4 and place it in this manner. So diagonally, it's easier, and draw one center line joining these 2 points. And select this edge and this line, make it collinear. And this is 1.2 and say OK. I am going to hide this plane. See here, we have a profile and this path. So now I am going to use swept cut. Select this profile and select this path. See here and say OK. So I am going to hide this helical curve. See. Now we have to create circular pattern. Select the circular pattern command. Select this temporary axis. This is the axis of rotation, and number of revolutions 6, and we have to select this cutout. See here, you can see this pattern. See here. So the pattern is created in one direction. Now we have to create this pattern in opposite direction. So we have to use mirror command and select the right plane. See here, I'll keep it in front of you. See, it is exactly at the center. So we have to select the right plane, and features to mirror, we have to select this initial cutout, that is a swept cut, and circular pattern. And say OK. See here, this is the pattern. So this is brief about knurling pattern in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.